Hello everyone, so this is our 35th video of our YouTube video series, and in this video we will discuss about how we can show our all freelancer on our company module. Here you can see I just already logged into my company module and we just completed these two things from here, that is the manage jobs and project, and second one is the candidate application. Now we have to fix these things, that is the hire. So whenever the company click on a hire button, that the freelancer list will be open on that particular page, and from there company can see this all kind of freelancer that registered on our particular portal. Okay, so company can see the profile photo, name, email address, the skill that freelancer have, the specific skills. Also company can click on a LinkedIn button of that particular freelancer, so it will redirect company to that particular freelancer LinkedIn profile. Second one is the per month money that freelancer is charging, and the education and the date of birth. So these all kind of things we have to show to our company model, so company can easily access to that particular freelancer from there, or company can personally mail to the particular freelancer. So this thing we will fix in this video. So here you can see this is the hire button, and if I am just clicking on a hire button, there is a one kind of page is showing, that is a HTTP status 404 not found, because we don't have that free all freelancer page here. Okay, so for that getting that particular page, we have to come to a drive. Here you can see I just come to my drive. We have to check the video descriptions for getting this all kind of pages. So we have to come to our HTML files, then pages, and here we have to see the page that is a view all freelancer. Here you can see this one is a page. Okay, view all freelancer. You have to simply download this page from here and copy that particular code which I already have in our VS Code. So now for load any kind of page, we have to mention the mapping in our company controller. Okay, so we can easily load that particular page. So we have to write the mapping of that page there. Okay, so I'm just writing here public string view all freelancer. Okay, then curly braces above of that we have to write request mapping, and in this request mapping we have to mention the mapping. So whenever someone calls the view all freelancer page, it will redirect on which kind of page. So I'm just writing a view freelancer. Okay, this one is the mapping, and return. So whenever someone calls the view freelancer, it will redirect on similar kind of page. So I'm just simply copy this view freelancer from here and paste here. Now I just need to do one thing, is that I just need to create this page on our pages folder. So we have to double click on that, then new, then other, then just write a JSP. Here you can see JSP file. Just simply click or paste our page name, that is view freelancer. Click on a finish. Okay, here you can see I just simply created one page here. Now one thing we have to do, we have to simply copy this entire code from here, and we have to remove this existing code and paste here. Now here you can see our code is successfully coming here. Now you can easily see here there is a for each loop here, so we just need to remove this for each loop from here. I just removing that, and similar thing we have to perform on a below side. Okay, so I just remove this for each loop from here, so we can easily see that particular interface here. Before that you have to come to our header company. Okay, where is okay, header file. We have to come to a header file, that is a hire, manager, jobs and candidate application. We just need to change our mapping from here. So existing mapping is that view all freelancer. Now current mapping is that view freelancer. So now everything is set. Now check it out. Now our page is loading here or not. I just need to simply refresh this page from here. Okay, I think our session got expired. I just re-log into my account, Wipro and 4545. Click on enter. Here you can see I just log into my company module, and whenever I'm just clicking on hire button, okay, here you can see this interface is open, that is contact any freelancer according to your requirement. This is profile, skills, LinkedIn, and this all kind of things. Now we have to do one thing, is here we have to show all kind of freelancer here that register on our particular portal. So for that we have to do one simple thing, is that we have to come to our company controller, and here we have to simply mention one method. Okay, with the help of that method we can easily show that particular data on that page. So we have to write here as a PD, which is project of get all freelancer. Okay, Now we have to simply declare this method here. Now we have to put a semicolon and we have to click that method and create method in project DAO. Now we have to simply write here one query. Before that we have to change the return type, that is a list, and in that list we have to write as a freelancer because we are getting all kind of freelancer details from here. So now we have to write here return t1 dot query because we are fetching data. So now right now we have to write the query that get all kind of data of freelancer. So I'm just writing a select star, okay, select star from freelancer, okay, select star from freelancer. This is all kind of data now coming here. I just, for your example, I just simply copy this line from here, okay, copy this query, come to my database, click on a query tool and paste this and execute query. And now here you can see we just need to have the one freelancer data, that is mine data, okay. So here you can see now we have to come to our project DAO. Now we have to write here as a new row mapper. In that we have to write here as a freelancer in less than greater than bracket. Then we have to write here these two brackets. Now we have to simply, after the bracket, we have to simply write here as a curly braces. Okay, now we have to put a semicolon. Okay, now we have to simply click on enter and add the unimplemented method from here. So add unimplemented method. Now just simply we have to do only one thing, is that we have to set and get this entire value that present in our database. Okay, so these things we have to do is now we have to set the name, email, number, date of birth, LinkedIn, this all kind of details we have to set and get. Okay, so for your reference, for the first time we just uploaded the video of freelancer profile, we set and get this all data in our project DAO. So without any wasting time, we just simply copy that set and get value from here, and now showing this all kind of data. So here you can see, I think this is the mapping of that particular freelancer, that is select star from freelancer, where email is equal to this kind of image, and this is the value we need here, that is a ID, name, email number, date of birth, etc. So I just simply copy these things from here, okay, until return, copy, and we just come to the below of our coding, okay, on our project DAO. Okay, now we just need to do one thing is here, we just need to paste here. Okay, we just need to paste our code here. We just remove the return and simply paste here. Okay, now our all value is getting set and get, and with the help of F1 we can easily get that data in our company controller. So for getting the data, we have to write here as a list. We have to get this entire get all freelancer into one list. Okay, so I'm just writing a list and list of the freelancer. Simple is that, freelancer, and I'm just writing here one thing, that is a freelancer data is equal to this entire thing. Okay, freelancer data, and with the help of model map, now we can easily get that data into one method, and with the help of model map method and with the help of that key we can easily show the data. So I have to write here as a model map mm, and mm has one method as a mm dot add attribute. We have to set the key and value. So value is a freelancer data, we have to set here the key. So for that I'm just writing a comma, and in this I'm just writing a freelancer data key. Okay, now with the help of that key we can now easily show that data on that particular page. So just check it out now, it is working or not. So we have to come to our view all freelancer page. So here you can see this is the page of view all freelancer. We have to simply apply at the for each loop. So C colon for each, okay, then items is equal to then double colon, then dollar sign, then curly braces. We have to paste our key. Okay, keys as it is. Now we have to write here as a where. So where is equal to E. Okay, so with the help of now E, we can easily show that all kind of data on our profile page. Okay, so for showing that data we have to know the exact value name here. Okay, so for that we have to come to our freelancer.java. This is our class where we mention this all kind of value. Here you can see education, profile, etc. Now we have to say this thing is similar like of things. Now we have to set this thing is as it is, so we can easily see that value on here. Okay, so I'm just fix it according to my requirement. So here you can see this is for each loop, and we mention as a E. So F files, I think this is a profile. So for profile we mention here as a profile F, which is a freelancer profile. So I'm just replace this with FV file. Okay, now E dot profile F. Now ID is as it is, then F name. So for the name I'm just mentioning here the name. Okay, email is F email. So in my case that is the email. Okay, then skills, for the skills we have to check. Okay, skills is IWS, skills is as it is. Okay, I think in our project dot that is we have to check that is skills. Okay, this is perfectly working. Okay, now we have to come to our view all freelancer. Then after the skills there is a LinkedIn. So for LinkedIn we have to check which thing we have to do. Okay, LinkedIn we have to just remove the F from here. Then charge. So for the charge is charge, so I have to remove the F from here. Then next one is education. So education is okay, battery low, sorry for that.
Sorry, sorry, sorry.
Okay, education, so we have to remove this F from here. Then after the education there is a date, and for the date I'm just mentioning a date, we have to remove the F. So basically in our previous page I'm just mentioning before any value that is F, so we have to remove this F from there, and all value is as it is. Now we have to one more time we have to check that value is correct or not. Okay, if that not correct we will facing error whenever I'm just loading that particular page. So this is the my key, freelancer key where is equal to E, and E profile F, that is fine. Then ID, name, email, then skills, then LinkedIn. Okay, then charge, education, date. Okay, this is perfectly fine. Now check it out, now it is working or not. So for that I have to relaunch my project. So I'm just relaunching indeed.jsp page, run as run on server, tomcat, next, finish. Let's check it out, now it is working or not, or we will get some kind of error. If we get some kind of error we will definitely fix that. Okay, so now here you can see our project is successfully loaded. I just need to log in my company module. Here you can see I just log into my company module, and whenever I'm just clicking on a higher button, okay, let's check it out, now it is showing or not to us. Okay, it will not showing the freelancer value here. I don't know why it is not showing, but we have to check why it is not showing or the value here. Okay, so why is our data is not coming here? We have to check our view all freelancer. Here you can see this is for each loop, this is the key, this is the value. Okay, we missed one thing is there, that is the we didn't close our for each loop of the below of our freelancer profile. So we just need simply cut this from here and paste below of that particular div. Okay, now checking here that is coming here or not. So I just simply refresh this page from here. Okay, now here you can see now my freelancer profile is now successfully coming here. That is the this is my profile photo, which is come in a very different kind of size. This is my name, that's why it is coming on that particular profile picture. This is my email address, this is my skills, this is my LinkedIn. Okay, so from here I just simply redirect me on my particular LinkedIn profile. Okay, particular temporary it is not working. Okay, but I will show you how it is working. LinkedIn, this is my chart, that is 75,000 per month. This is my education, BTech and diploma, and this is my date of birth. Okay, so now our thing is now perfectly working. That is how we can show our freelancer profile to our company section. Okay, so for your information I just again create one more freelancer profile here and see that is working here or not. Okay, so let's check it out, now it is working or not. So I'm just writing here as a login as a freelancer and register here. So we just register one freelancer here, that is the Raghav Kumar. Okay, email address that is the Raghav Kumar @gmail.com. Phone number that is 8989898989. Date of birth Okay, I just choose any kind of date of birth from here, and LinkedIn profile, that is the Rohit Wagmare at the okay. I think we have to write anything from here. Then education is BTech. Choose the profile photo. I just choose one profile photo from here. Okay, so I just choose my own profile photo. Basic charge for your work. So I'm just writing at 20,000. Mail, selects any skills from here. Video editing. Next one, game design or logo design. Then game design, and last one is uh, web development. Password is a 4545 and confirm password also 4545. Click on enter. Okay, here you can see registration successfully done. Login now. Let's check it out now. Our freelancer profile is coming here or not. Okay, so for that we have to again log into a company model. Okay, so here you can see I just already log into my company model and click on a hire button. And now here you can see our freelancing profile is successfully coming here. Why the profile photo is not coming here? Because every time we just upload any kind of new file, we have to refresh this file from our project. Okay, when you deploy the project, server will automatically refresh your project. Okay, so I just refresh this page from here, and now here you can see Raghav Kumar, this is my email address, this is my skill, this is my LinkedIn. Okay, why it is not coming from there? I just need to do some kind of things that fix here. Okay, this is my chart, this is my BTech, and this is my date of birth. Okay, so why is LinkedIn is not working? I have to check that these things why it is not working here. Okay, in HRUP, I think everything is okay. That will be also okay. You can see the name is coming here, but why it is not showing? I think we have to fix. Okay, but here in our previous video, I just fixed that things. That is how we can see the LinkedIn of freelancer. We will discuss this LinkedIn feature in our next video. Okay, I just fixed these things and we will discuss this how we can show the LinkedIn profile of particular freelancer from here. Okay, so our today video task is now successfully completed. How we can show our freelancer profile to a company. So company can monitor the freelancer that registered on our particular portal. They can email the freelancer through the LinkedIn. They can message the freelancer. So this kind of operation company can do from our portal. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. In this next video, we will discuss about how we can show all of the freelancer on our company homepage. So these kind of things we will discuss in this video. Similar kind of things we will discuss in our freelancer model, that how we can show all kind of company job posted by company. Okay, second thing, that is how company project we can show our freelancer homepage. So these kind of things we will discuss in this video. I think our 2 or 3 video is now remaining to complete this entire series. Okay, so if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, basically my internet connection getting off. That's the reason LinkedIn profile is not showing there. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you next video. Thank you so much.